We'll continue on with the same FSAE steering wheel drawing. In this lesson, we'll take a look at how to share the drawing specifically as a PDF file. To make sure that all the changes are captured, we'll save the file again. With the file saved, let's take a look at the Output dropdown on the toolbar. On the Output panel, we'll find the ability to save as a PDF, a DWG, take your current drawing and save it as a template to be used for future drawings, and if you're working on an assembly, you can output the parts list to a CSV file for ordering or tracking the necessary components to build the assembly. For this exercise, we need to output to a PDF file. In the Output pull-down, we'll select Output PDF. When the dialog appears, we'll have the option of outputting the current sheet or all sheets. This drawing only has one sheet, so either option will work. You also have the option of selecting to open the PDF so that when the file is generated, it will open so that you can review the results and check the work. Let's select that option and click OK. We'll need to select a destination for the file, and as requested, once it's generated, the PDF will open. As we can see, the PDF looks exactly like the drawing inside of Fusion 360 and will serve to make it easy for others to see the drawing of our design. Another option is to allow people to view the design through Fusion Team, and they can even generate a PDF or DWG file of the drawings directly from there as well. Drawings are an important tool in industry and even for the individual. There are many more things that drawings can do inside of Fusion 360, but even the basic introduction over these last videos should allow you to see how easily we can create 2D from 3D.